Remember calling him?
You're making me nervous. Dude, what are you doing?
My turn.
Oh, shit. I gotta watch this.
Alright,
What
get
happens if
ready.
he does
You see him moving his head? That's to me.
What happens if he does speed tail on the speed?
Good, you're going over there. Thank goodness. I just can't focus on one. That's a little easier. Of course, he's not dangerous, but can you imagine if he got out? It's like catching a chicken, you know?
Sounds like the
His name is Lannister. He's a Reeves pheasant.
Just call him in.
Oh, there's the magpie. What do you think about this tree for? What's so interesting here?
Oh,
Where's your buddy at?
I think they switch.
There's your buddy over there.
Yeah.
I see him.
oh yeah.
All right.
Alright.
Yeah, they've been pretty active. I had the mudjacks by the door too. And never say never, because I remember 3 years ago, I was right where the gentleman is, Derby and Parakeet, and I looked up and both doors were open at the same time. I ran up here, I heard hoofs behind me, and no sooner I had this door closed, Chow Lee, one of our muttjacks, she was gonna make a go at it, and I closed that door in the nick of time.
Fun time.
If you like this a lot, check out our North American aviary too.
Oh, for sure. Alright, we might need to get off the
A lot of our birds